The bigger the mango gets, the bigger the album's getting.
I'm out.
You man promote Kartel wicked, you know.
We have to promote. We have to promote.
The bigger the mango gets, the bigger the album's getting. That's right, a Lamb of God filled with all historic collaborations. But I don't want this one particular collaboration to be a secret. I want you to know about it. I want you to feel it. And I want you to be ready for it. DJ Khaled featuring Vybz Kartel, Buju Banton, Bounty, and Mavado. And the Anthem's 97% done. I'm gonna get it to 100%. And then let's talk. But let's be clear. From top to bottom, on the whole Lamb of God, it's historic collabs. But this particular collab, Khaled, Vybz, Buju, Bounty, Mavado, and I don't want it to be a secret.